everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. Today I am going to share my recipe of burger steak which has been made famous by Jollibee in the Philippines. And the ingredients that I am using for this recipe are minced pork or ground pork. I have 1 kilo of ground pork, and I have 1 kilo of ground beef or minced beef. I'm using 50-50 for my burger steak. And I have minced onion, half cup of cornstarch or maizena, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 whole minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So these are my ingredients for my burger. And then later on, we will make our sauce for our burger steak. I use fresh mushroom and I cut like this. This is a fresh mushroom. I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make it creamier, and I have a soya sauce or tuyo, and I use 1 beef cube for our gravy, and I have a liver patty and butter, and I use fresh milk and heavy cream. These are ingredients for sauce for our burger steak. So now let's start making our burger first, and then we're going to fry our burger. We do like this, mga cooking ina. This is half kilo each. I make 2 kilos of meat for my burger steak, and then you can use as well half kilo of minced pork and half kilo of beef. The important is you're doing 50-50 of your meat so that your burger will be juicy, mga cooking ina. I use gloves so that it's not greasy in my hands. So we do like this, mga cooking ina. We mix our minced beef to our minced pork. And we're going to add our onion and our minced garlic and our salt and our ground pepper. We mix well all of these ingredients to our ground meat, mga cooking ina. Very simple to make the burger steak, mga cooking ina, than to buy in the fast food. And then in this, we are sure what food we're giving to our children. We're going to add our cornstarch. This is half cup of cornstarch. For me, I prepare to make homemade. I want to make it sure that the food that I am giving to my children are safe, healthy, and a lot of nutrition. My kids, they don't like to eat vegetables. Sometimes if I make a hamburger, I put a lot of vegetables, mga cooking ina. I put carrots, broccoli, cabbage, because you know they cannot see that. We need to be wise and smart, mga cooking ina, because as I said, health is wealth. Especially our children, they need to be healthy. This is ready. And then, mga cooking ina, we're going to mold our burger pate. We do like this. If you have a molder for your hamburger, that's good. But for me, I don't have that. So I do like this. I need to do like this, mga cooking ina. I wash my hands very well every time I cook, mga cooking ina. So don't worry. So see, mga cooking ina, it's like this, our burger steak. See? It's good. You can decide mga cooking ina how big your burger pate. Diba? Pretty siya mga cooking ina. It's fun to do this mga cooking ina, especially if you have a small kid and then joining you in the kitchen to do like this. Diba? It's fun, you're playing with your child mga cooking ina. And then after this mga cooking ina, after we mold our burger pate, we're going to fry first. Diba mga cooking ina? If we order this in Jollibee, one piece is like 69 peso, like that. And then if you make it, very cheap ragod mga cooking ina the meats in Philippines. So you can buy 1 kilo and then it's a lot. You can make a lot of burger pate mga cooking ina. We need to be wise mga cooking ina in this time because it's crisis. You know, wise in budget, wise in food. So how many burger steak I made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 mga cooking ina. 20 burger steak I make for 2 kilos of meats mga cooking ina. Our homemade mga cooking ina, it's more tasty. And then we already done molding our burger pate. Next step, we're going to fry our burger steak mga cooking ina. So let's start. Now mga cooking ina, our burger pate is ready for our oven. Mga cooking ina, look, we fry mga cooking ina because we're trying to achieve the brown color of our burger steak like this before we're going to put it in the oven. And then now we're going to put in here mga cooking ina so that we can bake this one in the oven for 15 minutes. And then while burger pate is in the oven, we're going to make our sauce for our burger steak mga cooking ina. So we do like this mga cooking ina. Next, so then mga cooking ina, we're going to put this in the oven which is preheated 200 degrees Celsius to continue cooking our burger steak. So we're going to put it in the oven mga cooking ina. And now mga cooking ina, we're going to start also our sauce for our burger steak. So now mga cooking ina, let's start making our mushroom sauce. First, we're going to add our butter mga cooking ina. We melt our butter in a medium heat so that it's not quickly burned. And then we're going to add our fresh mushrooms. Then, we're going to add our fresh milk, mga cooking ina. Then, we're going to add our beef cube. We let it boil, mga cooking ina, until our mushrooms will be cooked. Then, we're going to add our liver pate. Then we're going to add our soya sauce to have a color to our sauce and flavor. Then we have a cornstarch. We add milk, we mix well mga cooking ina. We're going to add this to our sauce slowly mga cooking ina because we are trying to achieve that creamy our sauce. You estimate mga cooking ina how much you need. The last one mga cooking ina for our final, we put our heavy cream mga cooking ina. We do like this. Then we're going to test our sauce mga cooking ina. It's very good. We don't need more salt mga cooking ina. Our sauce is perfect. It's depending of your taste mga cooking ina. For me, this is enough. And now our mushroom sauce for our burger steak mga cooking ina is ready. So now mga cooking ina, our burger steak is ready and we're going to plate mga cooking ina. And I have a plate here with rice because we're going to make like a la Jollibee burger steak mga cooking ina. We're going to put the burger pate here. We do like this mga cooking ina. I need 2 burger steak. Look how creamy our sauce for our burger steak. You see that mga cooking ina? It smells yummy. I'm going to put sauce to our burger to become a burger steak mga cooking ina like this. The kids love this recipe very much. And I'm going to try mga cooking ina together with you guys. So we're going to try. Oy, oy, oy. Look mga cooking ina, it's juicy inside burger. You see that mga cooking ina? My kids loves this very much. We have a rice, mga Pinoy loves rice. So we do like this. Borscht good. Welcome everyone. Let's try. The texture of the meat mga cooking ina is very good. Juicy, yummy, and super tasty mga cooking ina. This is very good food to our children. So now mga cooking ina, thank you for joining me here in my kitchen making my burger steaks for my kids mga cooking ina. And hope you like it and you do this for your kids and family. And please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!